Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to control your music from Waze. So Waze lets you control compatible music and audio apps without leaving the navigation screen. This makes it easier to manage your music while keeping your attention on the road. First, you will need to open Waze and start your navigation on the map screen. And look for the music notes or audio icon. So just go ahead and tap it to open Waze's audio controls. And if you have connected a supported music app such as Spotify or Apple Music, you can then select it from the available options. So when you start to drive, you will need to go and tap on the music icon that's located at the top right here. Right, and then just select, as I told you, the Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, and other apps. And then just go with open Spotify here, and then you can use the available controls to play, pause, skip to the next track, or return to the previous track, depending on the music service and your device. So Waze may also let you browse playlists, albums, or recently played content. And if you do not see the music icon, you will need to open the settings in Waze and check the audio player or voice and sound options, and make sure your preferred music app is installed, updated, and connected to Waze. So you can also adjust the volume using your phone's physical volume buttons or your car's controls when connected through Bluetooth or another supported system. So the exact controls may vary depending on your phone, operating system, music service, and Waze version. So just set up your preferred music app before driving whenever possible. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.